We all have to deal with stress once in a while. It's just part of everyday living. Yet there are those times when the stress can feel like it's a bit much and feel quite overwhelming. Whether it's stress regarding our relationships or we might be struggling financially. It can feel so bad sometimes it's hard to think straight, and we might even have brain fog. We can start to stress eat, or we may start drinking more alcohol, just adding extra calories to our waistline. Stress can actually cause us to lower our immune system, opening ourselves up to all sorts of diseases and other conditions like high blood pressure, which we definitely want to avoid. One way to manage your stress is to do emotional freedom techniques, or EFT. EFT involves tapping on specific acupoints located on the hands, face, and upper body as you focus on an issue that is causing you distress. This process helps you to regulate your nervous system, allowing you to calm your mind and body so that you can feel more calm and more relaxed and feel more present, which allows you to think way more clearly. Hi, I'm Paul, and I'm a clinical emotional freedom techniques practitioner. Join me this Sunday at 1 p.m. Pacific Time to learn how to do basic emotional freedom techniques, or tapping, to help regulate your nervous system and manage your stress naturally. This workshop is absolutely free and is open to the general public. All you need to do is use the provided link to register. So do yourself a favor and check out this Sunday's workshop at 1 p.m. Pacific Time and learn basic emotional freedom techniques. Look forward to seeing you then.